everyone. This is Anthony, or Project Nova Zero. Today I got another unboxing. This is the second one today, and this one I'm completely excited for. I cannot. It's been so long. I've been searching so long for one of these. It's been crazy, and I finally got one, and I got it for a very decent price. And just cutting open the box. Oh man, I cannot wait to see this. Alright, now on the inside, a shit ton of packing peanuts. These are the edible ones, made of potato starch. That looks like a little penis. And what is in this, you may ask? Well, first, oh, it's really hard to tell. I can't. A lot of packing peanuts. Ooh, oh my. This has been used. Well, I'm not too sure if I can get this out with all the packing peanuts going everywhere. But we'll see. Oh, there goes one. Alright, so let's see. Okay, how am I going to do this? Ooh, my. Okay, well, yeah, I might as well clean up afterwards. Ugh, look at this. Look at this. Finally, I have got myself a red robosapien version 2. If you look at that, it's pretty dusty, but it doesn't look like there's any scratches on it. It looks actually like brand new condition. I'm very surprised at how nice this looks. And, yeah, I got a lot of packing peanuts. Got a lot of that stuff. Great. Is there anything else in the box? Really doesn't feel like it. There should be something else in here. At least I'm hoping there is. If there isn't, I'm going to be fairly disappointed because there was supposed to be something else. Oh, there it is. And the red robosapien V2 controller. Think it looks good? Alright, good thing there's no batteries in here. So I can get this repaired, get it all rewired up and working. It smells like Cheetos. But yeah, look at that. Finally, in my collection is the red robosapien V2. I cannot believe this. I'm extremely happy. And yeah. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later.